Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Klaviyo to Shopify. All right, it's pretty easy to do. First up here, we're going to want to go to our Klaviyo account and go ahead over to your settings right here by clicking on your profile name or username. Click on this one. Now you're going to want to go to integrations, click on it. And in here, you should be able to find this button right here, which says add integrations. All right, just go ahead and click on it. Now, if you can't see Shopify right here, you're going to want to use the search function, which is right here at the top left. Click on it and type in Shopify. All right. Once a Shopify pops up, click on Shopify. Now in here, just hit on install. All right. Now this page will open. It's going to need your store URL. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead over to our Shopify store. Then let's go ahead over to settings. Now, as you can see here under your store name, you'll see your Shopify URL. Just copy, go back to Klaviyo, right click and paste. Now we're going to want to scroll down a bit. You can go ahead and customize this one right here or these settings. All right, track behavior, sync your Shopify email subscribers to Klaviyo if you want to. Just click on the drop down. And if you want to sync your Shopify SMS subscribers to Klaviyo, you can go ahead and click on this one right here to set it up. And scroll down a bit. Here are some of settings right here that you might want to change as well. All right. Now, once you're done with this, just go ahead over to the button right here at the bottom right and click on Connect to Shopify. Wait for the website to load. And as you can see here, another one will pop up. Just give the necessary permissions. All right. Click on the drop down if you want to read it. If not, just hit on install. And again, wait for the website to load. All right, as you can see here, confirm new integration. You're about to integrate the Klaviyo account, which is made for money, with Shopify, and I'm sure you want to continue. All right, just hit on integrate, click on it. As you can see here, it is currently connecting. Just wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, you should get some message that will look like this. You cannot retrieve Klaviyo app embed status. Just click on this one right here, which is a hyperlink. All right, and it will redirect you to your Shopify page. All right, just wait for the website to load. And in here, in app embeds, make sure that it is toggled on. All right, toggled on. And once done, just hit on save right here. And that's how you connect Klaviyo to Shopify. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.